Hi, welcome to this video. Another dad meal cooking how-to video. Today as a product review on this food product, the Great Value Corned Beef Hash. A very economical and delicious way to provide nutrition for your family. So if you've ever been to Walmart, you might have noticed the Great Value brand. That's the Walmart brand. So all you need to prepare this gourmet meal is a fork to chisel it out of the container, a spatula, pan, and a metallic food container accessing tool. So let's get to it. Here's your pan and your ingredients. So what you want to do is just splash that in there. Dig it out like that. See how easy cooking can be? Who needs Gordon Ramsay? And you just take your fine spatula here. We're just gonna, you'll notice a lot of bubbling action going on in there. Pay no attention to that. That's just fat. You just gotta render that fat out and let it cook off and evaporate. And then I like mine a little bit crispy, so that's why you want to get rid of that. You notice when you flip it, a little cool effect happens, is that it'll get darker all of a sudden. Like that fat's just cooking it. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but let it sit there a minute. And then you gotta turn it frequently. And when you do, watch it like sizzles and darkens. It's cooking. That's the fat action there. Reminds me of one of those commercials back in the 80s, Fat Whacker. I don't know if that's still around or not, but anyhow, nutrition from a can. That's going to be the title of this series. Just keep rotating it, flipping it so you don't burn it. I like to use a non-stick pan. Keeps it nice and crisp and clean. But you just keep doing this for a while and you get the idea when it's ready. Now, if you notice the can, it's got a serving suggestion there, and put an egg on it. And, we have chickens, so I got an egg today, and I think I'll do that. It's Cloaca Fresh. We'll set this aside for the time being. So, see, it's coming along now. I'm getting some of that fat rendered off and evaporated. Now you hit the crispy stage. I like a little bit of crunchy. Not too much. I don't want to overdo it. This is where the gourmet part comes in. Some skills, which I learned on the cooking channel, the Food Network. Watching those excellent chefs gave me the courage to try cooking for myself. Although, I'm looking at this. I'm not sure I can fry an egg, so I think I'll just scramble it and plop it in there. I don't think I can mess that up. Add a little extra protein. Make sure you cook that good, otherwise it'll give you the trots. You don't want that. That's not too appetizing. This is a quick and easy, delicious, nutritious dad meal. Favorite of moms all over. Alright, I think it's about ready. Let's plop this into a plate. See what it tastes like. Alright, so now to do a little bit of flavor improvement. Ketchup will make it even better. Look at that. Food fit for a king. I can't wait to try it out. You should try it too. Try it, you'll like it. And make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe.